Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream very easy at home, easy method. Begin by chilling your bowl and tools, then combine heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and vanilla. Whisk gently until sugar dissolves, then pour into an ice cream maker or into a sealed bag with ice and salt. Shake or churn until thick, then transfer to a container and freeze briefly before serving. For a no-machine option, mix heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavor in a sturdy bowl until smooth. Transfer the mixture to a sealable freezer bag and place it inside a larger bag filled with ice and rock salt. Shake the bag vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes, checking firmness periodically, then move the custard into a container and freeze for a short time to set a scoopable texture. Keep flavors bright by using extracts or concentrated fruit purees instead of excess liquid, which can form ice. Add mix-ins like chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or chopped nuts at the last minute so they distribute evenly. Gently fold rather than overstir to keep air in the base, yielding a creamier texture, and taste as you go to balance sweetness and flavor strength before the final freeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.